Here are three ways to import an image into Figma. The first and easiest way is open up any folder with images in it and simply drag the image onto the canvas. Every image then that is highlighted will have a panel over here. If you click on that, you'll be able to change the exposure and a number of other elements. And you can also fit it, crop it, or tile it. We leave it on fill. So that's one way and the easy way. Second way is to go to the top taskbar, click on the rectangle tool. If it's not showing, use the down bar, and then draw a rectangle wherever you want to put an image. There, for example, and then you click on fill. And where it says solid, you click on that and you change it to image. This will give you a button where you can choose to upload an image. Select your image, press open, and your image is there. And again, you have all the other options as with every image there. That's the second way. The third way is to go up to the taskbar again, and where you have the Figma symbol, you click on the drop down, click on file, you click on place image video, select your image, click open, and again you draw the image wherever you want it. You draw using the left mouse button or whatever you're using on the keyboard to use that. And that's it. That's the three ways of bringing an image into Figma. There are other things you can do with the image here. You can change the width, or you can put corners on it, rounded corners, like that.